This video will cover how to register dosimeters. To be able to activate a dosimeter and start measuring vibration, a dosimeter must first be registered to the software on this computer. This is so if there is more than one HAVStock system in the working environment, the dosimeters cannot become cross-pollinated. The data from another system will not be automatically uploaded to a different administrator's computer. A registered dosimeter will only upload data to the specific software it is registered to. From the HAVSco home screen, log into admin mode. Do this by clicking admin, user mode, then click admin in the drop-down menu. The system will ask you for a PIN number. The default is 1234. Enter your PIN number and click OK. At the top of the screen, admin is highlighted in yellow. This indicates you are in admin mode. Click admin and a new drop-down menu will appear. Click settings. The settings menu will pop up. At the top of this menu there are different tabs: docks and dosimeters, measurement settings, data sync, options and diagnostics. Stay in the current tab. The table below shows the dosimeters in the dock. Under the registered column you can see the dosimeter has a red cross. This means it has not been registered to the software. To register a dosimeter, simply click the toggle registration button. The red cross will turn into a green tick to indicate the dosimeter is registered. If you wish to unregister a dosimeter for any reason, simply click the toggle registration button on the chosen dosimeter. The tick will turn back into a cross.